Let's dive into today's topic, which is ASMR. What is ASMR? Someone will ask. This is quite simple and understandable. This is unfamiliar vocabulary, and it has a lot of benefits. So be curious here. We are going to learn the meaning, when to use or when you can use, and also its benefits as well. When you find this useful, don't forget to subscribe and like for more updates. Let's go. What is ASMR? ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. It refers to a tingling sensation that some people experience in response to certain auditory or visual stimuli, often described as a pleasant, calming feeling that typically starts at the scalp and can travel down the back of the neck and spine. Common triggers include soft speaking, tapping, crinkling sounds, and gentle personal attention, like role-play scenarios. Many people watch ASMR videos to relax, reduce anxiety, or help with sleep. When to use ASMR? You can use ASMR whenever you feel the need for relaxation or a calming experience. Common times to enjoy ASMR include 1. Before bed, to help you unwind and prepare for sleep. 2. During study or work breaks, to recharge and refocus your mind. 3. When feeling anxious or stressed. ASMR can provide comfort and help alleviate stress. 4th, while relaxing at home, to create a soothing atmosphere. 5. During self-care routines, like taking a bath or meditating. Just find a quiet space where you can enjoy the sounds without distractions. It benefits. ASMR, Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, can offer several benefits, including 1. Relaxation. Many people find ASMR videos or sounds soothing, helping to reduce stress and promote a sense of calm. 2. Improved sleep. ASMR can help some individuals fall asleep more easily, making it a popular choice for bedtime routines. 3. Anxiety relief. The gentle sounds and visuals can create a comforting experience, helping to alleviate feelings of anxiety. 4th, focus and concentration. Some find that ASMR can enhance concentration, making it easier to study or work by blocking out distracting noises. 5. Mood enhancement. The pleasant sensations associated with ASMR can improve mood and overall emotional well-being. 6. Mindfulness and presence. Engaging with ASMR can encourage mindfulness, helping you stay present and connected to your senses. 7. Physical sensations. Many experience tingling sensations in response to ASMR triggers, which can be pleasurable and contribute to relaxation. Overall, ASMR can be a helpful tool for self-care and emotional support. Anybody can practice ASMR. Kindly subscribe and like our videos. Thank you.